Just wanted to showcase this really charming casita, fully decked out with fridge, microwave, wet sink, couch, Murphy bed behind there, display, brand new bath, stand-up shower actually, awesome, and it is locked from the outside on a keypad, so you can have guests here if you want and be independent of the house, or you can Airbnb it, which the seller has done successfully many times. It has its own air conditioning, brand new. It's a single unit, but yeah, it's wonderful. And then it houses all of your utensils and all that right in here. Great fridge, freezer. Clean, brand new. And it is all inclusive, meaning it conveys. One more time with the bathroom here. Awesome. Thank you so much for watching.